Mula sa AIA Philippines, ibinahagi nila ang mga naging pagbibigay ng mensahe ng SB19 na katulad ni Justin, sinabi niyang healthy is like creating without the pressure to be perfect. Ano naman kaya ang masasabi ni Amo Ken? Mula naman kay Ken, healthy is like being true to myself and my passion. At mula naman kay SB19 Style, healthy is like making time for people who matters to me. At mula naman kay SB19 Josh, healthy is like exercising my brain as much as my body. Kay Pins SB19 Pablo, healthy is like taking time to clear my mind. Nakita niyo po yung sinabi ni Stel, healthy is like making time for people who matter to me. Pinag-uusapan ngayon sa social media, especially sa mundo ng SB19 ng mga 18, ang naging sagot ni SB19 Stel sa isang hindi kaaya-ayang mensahe tungkol kay Justin. Ayon kay Stel, sino ka naman para magsabi ng ganyan? Ikaw yung toxic sa totoo lang. Tumigil ka. Hindi ko kailangan ng suporta mo kung ganyan ka sa mga kagrupo ko. Delete mo to. Ayon kasi sa nag-comment, toxic daw itong si Justin. At ang nag-comment ay isang berries. Kaya naman si Stella ang nag-react dito at sinabi na pinabubura ang mensahe na iyon dahil wala itong alam sa pinagdaraanan ng grupo. Mula naman sa Facebook post ni KKK, sinabi niyang boundaries from your favorite groups aren't disrespect. They are reminders that fandom has limits. If your version of support includes tearing them down, then it was never support to begin with. And when you come for all of them, or for one of them, don't expect your bias to defend you because who are you to speak on a story you never lived? And to your here for Stel 45 calling someone cancer while being publicly toxic is crazy work. You don't get to diagnose friendship you're not part of. Stay in your lane. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching.